All right, we have 2020 RSA multi-sport triple jersey, one box break number 2. Jerry has number 1, JM has number 2, Tony has number 5, Eric has number 9, Jason has number 7, Ed has number 4, William has number 6, Travis has number 3, Jimmy has number 0, and Keith has number 8. Good luck, guys. McDale, 93 AL Cy Young. Not sure who McDale is. I'm not gonna lie and act like I do. Let's see. 93 AL Cy Young. Jack McDale. Let's go on to the 9 spot, and where is the 9 spot? Eric with the 9 spot. We have whites. Let's see. I'm not sure on this one. Glendale White, word. That's fair. That's what I was going to say, but I actually wasn't. I was second guessing myself. Wasn't sure if there was a Glendale White. Yes, this is USC jersey. Or Glendale White. That's going to the 1 spot. And Jerry. There you go, Jerry. And then how about the hanger, baby? Giannis Antetokounmpo. JSA COA. That's going to the 4 spot. And alright. Ed with the 4 spot. There you go, Ed. Nice Giannis. Congrats on that, guys. That was our triple jersey box. Numero dos.